Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Today on Bitcoin Bulletin, we're taking a look at a fascinating intersection of politics and cryptocurrency that could send shockwaves through the market. With Donald Trump set to deliver his Liberation Day speech, investors are bracing themselves for a potential tariff announcement that could lead to a major recession. But here's the thing: despite this grim outlook, Bitcoin prices have remained remarkably steady above $80,000. In fact, they've even risen by 10% from their March low, trading at an impressive $84,500 right now. Meanwhile, U.S. stock market futures are pointing lower, with the Dow Jones and Nasdaq 100 dropping by over 300 points. So what's driving this unexpected resilience in Bitcoin? One key factor is that the Liberation Day tariffs have already been largely factored into market expectations. Trump has been discussing these tariffs for weeks, so investors may be buying into the idea ahead of the announcement. This phenomenon is often referred to as buying the fact. But Bitcoin's history suggests that it can weather even more turbulent times. During the COVID-19 pandemic, and in the face of intense regulatory scrutiny from the SEC, Bitcoin actually thrived. As noted by Gadi Chait, an investment manager at Zoppo, these price swings are just noise. Bitcoin is a long-term play, driven by its fundamental value as a decentralized, sovereign asset. Now, some might argue that a recession would be bad news for Bitcoin and other risk assets. But think again. In times of economic downturn, the Federal Reserve often cuts interest rates and reintroduces quantitative easing, which could actually boost demand for riskier assets like Bitcoin. As we look at the weekly chart, it's clear that Bitcoin is still exhibiting strong technicals. It's formed an ascending channel and currently sits near its lower bound, a level it last touched in August of last year. Notably, this rebounded to a new all-time high shortly after, suggesting that Bitcoin has plenty of room to run upwards. So what can we expect from Bitcoin in the coming weeks? One analyst believes that $100,000 could be on the cards, as long as BTC remains above its lower bound. And with the Liberation Day tariffs set to shake up the global economy, it's anyone's guess how this will play out, but one thing is certain: Bitcoin Bulletin will be keeping a close eye on developments. That's all for now from Bitcoin Bulletin. Thanks for watching.